Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the domain. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to know that we have the square root of x, and we need to know that the value under the square root should be greater than or equal to number 0. And the second one, that is about this one, cannot equal to number 0 because numerator they cannot divide by number 0. So x squared minus 1 cannot equals to number 0. So if we calculate this one, so s cannot equal to number 1 and negative number 1 because s always greater than or equal to number 0. So this one they just include about negative number 1 in here. So the answer that should be about from 0 to number 1 and number 1 to positive infinity, because the answer should be about interval notation. That is the end. Thank you for watching.